How to change nicknames on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm simply going to show you the way that you can change in nicknames if you have previously added them, or the way that you can add in nicknames on your Messenger app. So make sure you stick to this video till the end if you want to learn exactly this. Firstly, open up the chat of whom you want to change the nickname of. And from the chat section, just tap on the eye icon on the top right and you'll be taken to this menu. Now under customization, you will see nicknames. Tap on the nicknames option and the existing nicknames will be visible if they are currently added. Now to change in the nickname, you can either change the nickname of the other person or you can also change it for yours. Just tap on the name and this box will open up, from where you can remove the existing nickname and then type in anything that you want and tap on set. This way instantly the nickname will be changed. But for some case, if you want to remove the nickname, you can also do that by tapping on remove. Similarly, you can also change your nickname or set your nickname for yourself. You can also remove your existing name and type in anything and tap on set. So that's all it takes to change nicknames on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. I'll be back soon with more. Thanks for watching.